Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Acer Aspire Go AG15-51P. To gain access to the internals, you have to undo 10 Phillips head screws. Pry the back with a thin plastic tool and pop the top edges. Then, pry the sides and the front. Our laptop has a 53 watt-hour battery. To take it out, detach the connector by pulling it towards the unit and undo the 2 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the base. The capacity is enough for around 9 hours and a half of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu. The RAM zone is covered by a metal cap and you can pop it with a lever tool. For memory expansion, you get a pair of RAM slots. According to Acer, the slots are compatible with up to 32 gigabytes of DDR5, 5,600 MHz memory in dual-channel mode. However, since the CPU can support up to 96 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. The Wi-Fi 6 card is on the right of the cooling. In terms of storage upgrades, there is just one M.2 slot for 2280 Gen 4 NVMe drives. The thermal system is pretty basic. It comprises a single fan, one decently long heat pipe, a top-mounted heat sink, and a heat spreader. Check out our full review on laptopmedia.com.